Well, it's rainy day treasure hunters here at one of my favorite local parks. I just came down for a couple hours out at my favorite place, and truth be told, I wasn't gonna film. And so my very first dig was a pull tab, but here's my second dig. Come on. I don't know if you can see this, but the old mighty fisher, I have what looks like a ring, and I'm going to save it for us. it's right here. And it is a beautiful ring. You can see it's in the chunk, so it's heavy too. It's a man's ring, and it's probably stainless steel, but it's beautiful. If it doesn't seem to have any markings inside, so I'm gonna say stainless steel. All right. I bet you I bet you it fits perfect too. Look at that. So my second dig here looks like a stainless steel beautiful man's ring with a gold. All right, rainy day treasure hunters. All right, let's do a live dig. This was a killer high signal, 3 inches deep, right here. Okay. Oh, dropped out. Old copper. Old looking. $1971 S, it looks like. So we're into the pennies. Let's double check the hole actually. And let's keep swinging, keep digging. All right, try digging this tab. Go low signal and 3 inches deep. Oh yeah, right here. Oop, fell into the okay. Well, just like the mighty fisher said, it's a low signal. It's a nickel. Got a nickel. Oh, it's been down there a while. Oops. Put the nickel into the treasure box. Check the hole, and let's keep digging. Okay, in this chunk, this is more of a dime penny. Oh yeah, old copper. 1973. 1973. All right. This was a good low signal, 5 inches deep, tab, and bouncing down to the foil. Uh-oh, it's right here. My pro pointer just started doing this. Like it overloads or something when it gets close. Oh, right here. Well, just like it said, that's an oldie. That's been down there a while. Another nickel. Put that in the old nickels. There's a lot of pea gravel down here, which I didn't realize. But let's put this plug back in the hole. Ugh. Like we weren't even there. All right. All right, welcome back, Rainy Day Treasure Hunters. All right, so I dug the ring just about 10 feet from the loop field sign, and I think it's time to go home and get some tacos for supper. I got a screaming dime signal right here, a couple inches deep, right on the corner of this walkway. I think I'm gonna have this as my last dig. Okay, it's right here in the corner of the plug. Right there. Nice penny. Nothing real old, but it'll go in the treasure box next to the, well, let's do the wrap up right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pennies, 2 nickels, a couple of dimes, and this is the beauty, right? Just 10 feet or so from the loop field sign, and fits, comfort fit like a chump, like a charm. And I don't see any markings on it, so just stainless steel with a gold colored band. Anyway, I'll take it. And Rainy Day Treasure Hunters, I had fun.